Moving on, we're now going to start the skirt. So I'm going to go ahead and lock my t-shirt layer just so I don't accidentally move anything. Select my skirt. Again, we're going to go and do the outline one side. So we're going back of the waistband, sorry. Down here, this way, oops, switch this one. If you have a hard time seeing the black stroke, you can always change it to like a red color for when you're drawing it. Some people find that easier. Let's see, it's a pretty big skirt here. And then it has a nice go. Let's see. Switch to my direct select tool again. And kind of go in and move these around a little bit to where I feel like they're more even and better. You can do this with the mouse, or you can select the anchor points and then use your arrows on your keyboard to move them. And then the other thing I want to do is also move waistband up a little bit, make it a little wider. I think that's what it looks like. And then before we reflect this, we are going to draw just kind of these shadow lines right here. It helps indicate that there is this hem has a lot of fullness to it, and it just gives your flat a little bit more life too. So we have drawn these three strokes. I'm going to select all of them. We are going to go in here to Profile and select Profile 4, which is an arrow. Right now the thin point is down and the thick part is up, but we want them to go the opposite way. So select all of them, and then this one will flip along, and now they're going from the bottom to the top. I think that's all I'm going to do for the skirt. Now, so select everything, copy, paste, reflect, okay, and bring it in to here. Zoom to see. Here we go. Switching to our direct select tool, hit A or go to the right arrow tool. Selecting these two, join. Rid of this one, maybe both of them. Yeah. If you ever get rid of an anchor point and you realize that your whole curve changed, you can just do Command Z or go to Edit and Undo. That will solve almost all your problems. So here's my skirt. If you guys remember from the t-shirt, we're gonna take the outline and we're gonna make it thicker. So 2 point. There we go. And then we are going to draw this line here for the front of the waistband, I'm sorry. What you can do is that select this line up here, copy and paste it, bring it down to fit where it needs to be, change the stroke weight. We also need to do the back of the skirt. So again, I'm going to select this one, I'm going to select it once, copy it once and bring it down a little bit. And then I'm going to copy it again, just paste it in front. And these two, I want to join. Oops. Undo that. So we're joining them, right? So we can so you can give it a gray fill to indicate that, hey, there's a back to the skirt. Nope, that didn't work. I'm gonna have to put a anchor point here just to keep this curve running better. And so as you see, we're not gonna see a lot of gray on this one, and that's okay. The gray needs to be the fill. Stroke should be black. And we are going to give this a white fill and a black stroke so we can see what everything actually looks like. Here we go. And again, remember we need to send to back. And we're going to make sure all these strokes are black as well. And then last, something that can't really see on this image is how does someone get into the skirt? Does it have a side zipper? Is it an elastic waistband? We don't really know because of the nature of the picture. Sometimes that's going to be your case when you work in the industry. You have a picture like this and you have to figure out how to make it. Sometimes you have the actual garment, and so you can look and see what it's at. But for now, for this assignment, we are going to decide that, hey, there's an invisible zipper. And to draw an invisible zipper is very easy. Just do a little zipper head like that. Give it a white fill. And they are tiny, so even what I've drawn here is too big, so I'm going to shrink it down a little bit. And you would set right here. So your zipper goes from here to usually about 6 to 9 inches down, widest part of the hip. And then your waistband is closed with a clasp. But because we can't see that, we don't draw it. And so there is your skirt. I've decided that it's, we gotta hem it too, right? So you can go in and copy all these lines. So notice that I'm only copying the bottom lines, not these little ones going down. Command C, Command F, and I'm scooting it up in my arrow tools, or arrow keys, sorry, 0.5 and dash, right? And now I can copy and paste this line again. Oops. Select all these ones again, holding down Shift to select multiples. Command C, Command F, and scoot it up. And now our skirt is hemmed too. And then once you are happy with what it looks like, I don't really like these pointy finishes here, so I'm going to bevel it. Yeah, that looks better. I'm selecting everything, copying it, pasting it. And even though these ones look very, very similar, there is one difference, and that is this zipper. So the zipper should always be on the wearer's left side. So since this is the back, right now this zipper is on the wearer's right side. So we do need to reflect it. So transform and reflect. And then we're going to delete the back because we can't see the front and the back. skirt. Separate it a little bit so it's easier to see. Skirt. You can retype front and back, or you can simply just unlock your t-shirt layer. Move over here, select both of them, holding down Shift, copy, paste. Paste them. Drag them down here, and then move them up to my t-shirt layer, so they're in the right layer. And just put them in the center underneath the garment. My skirt. Okay, so again, take your time drawing your skirt. Give it a few practice rounds. Continue to tweak and work on them, and we'll be back and we'll work on the jeans and the remaining of the garments.